Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik, teman-teman, selamat datang for all of you who is also in streaming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another video learning of Bahasa Inggris 1 ya, for semester 2 in Stekom University. Okay, with your favorite lecturer, Mr. Danang Wiratnoko. So today is our 11th meeting for Saturday class, yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's go with our, let's copy our stream key over here. And share it. Break room 81. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Sorry everyone, Mas Rafael, welcome, and Mas Fahruzi. What can I call you? Fahruzai, or whatever. Can you hear my voice? Okay, welcome. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, Mas Rafael. Okay, still cannot use your mic. And we have April. Hello, April. Welcome. How are you? Sorry, today lagi di kerjaan. Oh, okay, it's alright. Thank you, Mas Rafael. Okay, today I have under the weather. Okay, April. Thank you. You can join us even though you cannot open your mic. Maybe you are on other mata kuliah, so you can listen to us. It's okay. Okay, so this is our Mr. Hendra. Also welcome our 11 meeting for the Saturday class. Yeah. Basically, this is a review of the Friday class, and we have Mr. Rudy. Okay, welcome, Mr. Rudy. So without further ado, let's open our slide. Excuse me, I have what you call it, flu, yeah, a runny nose. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Today I just this morning though, I got this runny nose and sneezing a lot because maybe it's the cold water. Yeah, I don't like taking a shower with hot water, so I take it with cold water. Yeah, and basically in Klaten the water is so cold. Okay, we have Reza. Hello, Reza. How are you? Oh, sorry, not Reza. No, my mistake. Okay, let me join. Okay, let's open the slide here. Okay, let me share it with everyone. Sorry. Okay, I hope you can see the slide. Let's make it really bigger. Okay. Let me join the other one here. Room 81. Okay. 81 over here. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So this is our 11th meeting for the Saturday class. Just a review of what we have been covered during the Friday class. Yeah. Okay. So without further ado, let's join. Okay. Let's have a quick ice breaking here. If you can open your mic, you can open your mic. Yeah. And tell me what is the word for the Indonesian. Yeah. Okay, the word for the Indonesian here. We have mata. Okay, you can write it in the chat box if you cannot open your mic. Go ahead. What is bahasa Inggrisnya mata? Sorry, bahasa Inggrisnya mata. Yes, not bahasa Indonesianya. Okay, all right, Rafael, eyes. Yes, Amanda, welcome. April says eyes. Okay, Mr. Hendra says eyes. Yes, okay, let's open it. All right, eyes. What about pelajaran? Lesson. Okay. Lesson. Okay, we can say lesson, but there is another word. It's called course. Yeah. So lesson means the context is like what is it? Physical, yeah, physical lesson like that, or um, exercise, yeah, is a lesson of exercise. But if it's a written pelajaran, we said course, yeah, like English course, biology course, yeah, history course, yeah. So we say course in English, okay. And then what is mata pelajaran? What do we call in English mata pelajaran? Anybody know? Okay, yes, Mr. Hendra, that's right. It's called subject, that's right. Yes, April. Okay, good. So yes, mata pelajaran we call it subject in English, yeah. And then if you are in the higher level, like university, we call it major. Okay, major. What is your major? Yeah. Okay, next one, number 2. Okay, mata we know, yeah. Okay, eyes. What about kaki? What is kaki? Foot, okay, foot, yes. Oh no, leg. If it leg, it means the whole thing, from your thighs, and then your knee, and then your what do you call it? Bicep, maybe, yeah, bicep, yeah. Yeah, that's leg, ya. Dari paha ke dengkul terus ke betis itu namanya leg, ya. Tapi kalau kaki it's foot. Yes, we call it foot. Oke, kalau mata kaki. What is in English called mata kaki? Mata kail or mata ankle, yeah. Okay, Rafael, yes, we call it ankle. That's right. Next one. What about bahasa Inggrisnya tanah? Mau jawab foot eye. Okay, Mr. Hendra, no, we don't say foot eye or eye foot. Okay, bahasa Inggrisnya tanah? What do we call it? Land. Okay, yes, land, yeah. And air. What is air in English? Okay, soil. Yeah, we can say soil, but soil means like what you call it, when you dig. Ya, kalau kita udah menggali, ya itu we call it soil. Ya, if you dig a hole and then you get the soil. Ya, itu namanya soil. Kalau kita udah menggali, ya. Okay, Mr. Hendra say water. Okay, bahasa Inggrisnya air is called water, or in British is water, but in Australian we call it water. Okay, yeah, water. And then what is tanah air? Homeland. Okay. Homeland. Anybody else? Selain homeland? Can you find another one? Or is it just homeland? All right. Let's have a look. Let's follow Mr. Raphael. Mother country. Okay. There's two, homeland or mother country. Okay. Let's have a look. We call it motherland. Yes. Yeah, motherland. Okay. Okay. If we call it homeland, it means that uh apa ya? Mm, doesn't represent, ya, represent the nature of apa, tanah air ya. Homeland tuh kayak mm, is where you are but you're not going anywhere, ya. Jadi misalnya kayak your culture, nah itu we say it homeland, ya, our homeland culture, ya. And then if it mother country, no, we don't say mother country, we call it motherland. Okay, what about bahasa Inggrisnya tutup? Number four, close, shut, cover. Wow, close. Okay, the the common one, yeah, commonly used is close. Okay, and then pintu. Oh, okay, Mr. Hendra, thank you very much. Door, yes. Okay, what about tutup pintu? What do we call it? To close the door. Okay, three, two, one. Close the door. Yes. This one is Deddy Corbuzier. What do you call it? Uh, what is it? Shut the door. Okay, that's Rafael. That's a bit rough. Yeah, a bit. What do you call it? Unpolite. Yeah, yeah. Shut the door. Okay. But if you're angry, yeah, you can say that. Yeah. If you're very angry. Okay. Again, tutup is closed. What about I? Sorry. Okay. Mata. I. Okay. Tutup mata. I just I just give it away. One. Okay, tutup mata. That is in English. Close the eyes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, close your eyes. Okay. Close the eyes or close your eyes. All right. Tutup is close. Usia. What is usia in English? Ah, yeah. That's right. Age, yeah. Don't say egg, yeah. How much is your egg? No. We say age. Okay. G-nya agak ditekan. Age. Yeah. Okay, we have Mr. Caro. Welcome, Mr. Caro. And then what is in English tutup usia? Pass away, die, or pass on. Okay, yeah, April. Okay, dead, yeah. But we say it pass away. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Raphael and April. Yeah, tutup usia means pass away. Yeah. Dead. Mm, we can say that, but it's not proper. Yeah. Kurang inilah. We say if it dead is like electronic devices. Yeah, we say the computer is dead. Yeah, or the light is dead. Yeah, or the iPod is dead. Yeah, we can say that. Okay, but for human beings, we commonly use pass away. Okay, tutup we say close. Okay, and then mulut. What is mulut in English? Okay, mouth, mouth. Yes. All right. What about tutup mulut? Anybody know what is shut up? Yes. Okay, Mr. Hendra, yes, shut up. Okay, yes, April. That's right. Lagunya apa ya? I think it's Pink or someone else. I forgot. Be quiet. Yeah. Now the polite one is, yeah, we call it be quiet, but yeah, we say shut up. Ya, tutup mulut. Tutup mulutmu ya, shut up. Oke, tapi kalau be quiet itu kayak misalnya don't be noisy or keep quiet. Ya tetap diam ya. Kalau tidak diam. Oke. Tutup again is close. What about buku? What is in English buku? Okay, April, book. Yes. What about tutup buku? Tutup buku. Closing the book. Okay, closing the book. All right, let's have a look. Close the book. Sorry. Yes, close the book. That's right. Okay, next one is tutup is close, yeah. And then akun. What is akun in English? Account. Okay, yes, account. Kalau tutup akun, close account. All right. Yeah, deactive the account. Deactivate. Yes, we say close account. Okay, or close the account boleh. Close account. Okay, this is turun. What is turun in English? I think I haven't changed this one. Saya belum. Okay, down. Yes. Sorry, ini harusnya down, not close ya. And then harga. Ini bukan close ya, tapi turun is down. Okay, this one is wrong. Maksudnya down. Okay. Kalau harga, price. Okay, price. Yes. Kalau turun harga, promo. Promo, yes. Okay, yes. Promo discount. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, we call it price drop. Turun harga is price drop. Yeah. We can say discount. Discount means like ya, potongan harga ya. Itu discount is potongan harga. Tapi kalau turun harga is price drop ya. Ini biasanya if you are presenting a chart, okay, down price. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Gideon. Yeah, we don't say down price, but price drop. Oke, kalau pas baca chart itu we say price drop or price rises, ya, you call it that way. Oke, bahasa Inggrisnya turun again is down. What about jabatan? What is jabatan in English? Okay. The motion or position. Okay. Position, yes. April good. Kalau turun jabatan, Mr. Gideon said demotion. Resign. Okay. Not quite. We call it down. Turun jabatan is demoted. Yeah, demoted. Not demotion, but demoted. Okay, be reduced in rank or position. Okay, that's a bit too long, Mr. Raphael. Okay, bahasa Inggrisnya turun. We call it down. What about jalan? What is in English jalan? Yesterday, okay. Road, street, walk, okay. We call it street, yeah. So just regular jalan means street, yeah. But if it's big jalan besar, we say it road, okay. But when we say uh, footstep, ya itu adalah walk, ya. Footstep or walk, ya. Oke, kalau turun jalan atau turun ke jalan, demo. Okay, go down the street or walk down the road. Wow, okay. There's a song there. Ada lagunya itu, Walk Down the Road. Okay, demo. Mr. Hendra almost got it. Hampir. The same meaning of that one is called protest. Ya, turun ke jalan itu kita protes ya atau demo. Okay, very nice. Alright guys, let's go to our subject here. We are now into the grammar part, which is article. Yeah. Article here is the use of a, an, and the. Yeah. So why am I going to talk about this one is because some of you in the essay, ya saya karena belum koreksi semua essay teman-teman karena saya lagi membaca satu persatu ya. Itu yang membuat lama. Oke, jadi saya kasih pointers ya. Itu pointersnya bisa dilihat nggak sih? Kalau nggak bisa dilihat ya saya nggak usah kasih pointers ya. Misalnya kalau nggak bisa dilihat, ya udah nanti saya nggak kasih pointer. Tapi kalau bisa dilihat, itu I give you pointers ya. Jadi di situ saya kasih pointers di mana teman-teman masih ada ketinggalan di article ya. Ada an and the-nya itu masih ketinggalan. Oke. Nggak bisa lihat Pak, nggak bisa dibuka isinya. Oh iya. Oke dan berarti saya nggak usah kasih explanation ya. So I just give you the score aja ya. Oke dan saya kira pas saya kasih penjelasan teman-teman bisa lihat. Nah itu makanya yang membuat ininya lama ya karena saya koreksi bacaannya satu persatu. Dia nggak bisa di SS itu kasih contekan ke orang lain. Oh I see. Okay, yeah. I think that's the reason ya. Oke, yes. Jadi yang saya baca dari essay teman-teman itu masih ada yang kekurangan di artikel ya. So, an shows that we are talking about one person or thing ya. We often use an in description when we say what something is or what somebody's job is ya. And then usually kalau kita pakai the, it means you know which ones I'm talking about. Di sini kita membicarakan the speaker and the listener. Itu kalau membicarakan suatu hal, itu they know which item or which object they are talking about. Ya. Jadi contohnya kayak, can I use the phone? Ya. The hearer knows that this mean your phone. Okay, and then noun use without article ataupun yang tidak dapat di artikel. Dari UTS-nya saya kerjakan, saya kurang mengerti soal seperti nomor 2. Okay. Alright, Saimuti, it's alright. I will explain nanti ya. Through WhatsApp aja nanti ya. Nanti saya ini number 2 and number 9. Okay. Alright, the first one is we have an pronunciation of the ya. We use a before a consonant sound ya atau a consonant word. Ya, jadi kalau kita melihat kata yang dengan huruf mati, depannya ada huruf mati, ataupun suaranya yang huruf mati, kita pakainya e. Ya, for example, the normal sound of b. Untuk nilai essay itu masih belum semua dikoreksi ya Pak, soalnya punya. Iya, belum Rafael. Mohon sabar, nanti saya akan saya usahakan. Karena tadi kan saya jelaskan, saya baca satu-satu terus saya kasih pointer ya atau penjelasan. Ternyata teman-teman nggak bisa lihat pointernya ya, maka mulai dari sini saya akan kasih nilai aja langsung, oke? Alright, and then we use an ya an before a vowel sound atau vowel words ya. Jadi kalau pakai an itu adalah kata-kata yang awalannya adalah huruf hidup a i u e o atau suaranya dengan huruf hidup a i u e o ya. Contohnya address, egg, idea, old house ya. Ini adalah kata-kata yang diikuti oleh an. Nah, kalau yang ini book, coat, house, letter, new ya, ini diikuti oleh karena hurufnya adalah huruf mati semua. Okay, let's go to the first exercise. Number 1, what do we use? Or an? Oh my god. Here we go, Raphael, the quick or the flash. Okay, Raphael, the flash guy. Yes, number 1 is a bicycle. Okay, Raphael, thank you very much. April also okay. And then number 2, yes, thank you, April and Raphael. And Mr. Hendra, okay, A, Agus A, number 5. Okay. 3 is a shop. Yes. And then holiday. Holiday is a. Okay, number 4 is a holiday. This one exercise is an ya. Kedengeran sekali nya ya, exercise, an exercise, and then this one a day, and then American, an American, okay, an American, and then student, kita jelas sekali s-nya, a student, okay. Dan ini adalah profesi ya, kalau kita membicarakan profesi kita pakainya artikel okay. Ya, pokoknya dengan itu kan artikel atau an dengan catatan kalau an hurufnya hidup, tapi kalau hurufnya mati semua. Okay. Alright, very nice. Thank you all. Wow. Okay. Thank you for the participation. Sorry, sir, I'm late on. It's okay, bagus. We just started. Kita juga baru mulai. Karena tadi saya agak under the weather. Dapat flu dadakan. Okay, now we can choose a or an because of pronunciation, not spelling. Nah, yang tadi ini berhubungan dengan spelling, tapi kalau yang ini adalah dengan pronunciation atau ucapan ya. From the sound, dengan bunyinya. Okay, ini ada a house, a hand, a head, ya. But with hour, we don't use a hour, but we use an hour. Karena di sini bunyinya H it's silence. H-nya ini tidak didengarkan. Jadi yang bunyi hanya hour, ya, hour. So the H is silent, so hour is like hour. So an hour, ya. And then we have uncle, yeah, U is uncle, umbrella, umbrella. But this one, even though it start with the letter U, yeah, we don't say it anniversary. We say it university. Okay, university. Sorry, university. Okay, so we pronounce it U with the sound of Y. U, so a university. And then this one also European. Not European, but you say European. Okay. So European, yeah. And this one also uniform, unicorn, same. And then this one useful book, useful book. Okay. And here again the orange, opera, office, but we say this one is not oang but £1 stamp. Yeah, the pronunciation is one. Ya, with W atau ya gini biasanya one, ya. £1 stamp. Okay. Right, let's go to exercise number 2 over here. My goodness. Raphael, okay. April, let's wait for your friends. Okay, an old friend, yes. A big apple, okay, thank you, Raphael and April. An old friend. Big. This one is an unhappy, yes, unhappy. Okay. Oh, sorry, with a Y. An early train, okay. An early train. This one, a rich uncle, okay, rich uncle, that's right, a rich. This one is an easy job, number 6. Okay, and then exercise is a hard, yeah, hard, yeah, the yeah, a hard. European, yeah, European, and then a small book, right? Yes. Okay, April. A European language. Okay, a small book. Okay, very good. Very easy ya. Pokoknya just remember not only in spelling but also in the sound. Okay, next, before consonant sound we pronounce the, yeah, like the end of mother. Okay, jadi suaranya the, ya, the. Tapi kalau dengan huruf hidup, ya, the-nya menjadi the. Oke, seperti suaranya C. It rhymes with C. Oke, the kalau huruf hidup, tapi kalau huruf mati the. Oke, can I have the open mic sekarang? Coba kita pronounce dulu. We have, at the back, Mas Bagus, can you open mic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mas Bagus, can you pronounce the first one?
Okay. The first one, the beginning, the woman, the child, the time, the place, the house, and the horse.
Oh yes, okay, good. Thank you very much. So
Okay.
the beginning, the woman, the child. Good. Thank you very much, Mas Bagus. Next one, we have these.
Yes, sir.
DHIRZ. What can I call you? This? Okay, these 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go to Agus. Pangiro. Pak Agus, can you open mic? 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we go to Ibu Saimuti. Hello, Ibu Saimuti. Can you open mic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bu Sayawati. Can you read the second one? Pakainya punya the ya, this one.
The end, the old man, the
Mhm.
office, the address, the American.
Yes, thank you very much. So we said the end, the old man, the office, the address, and then the American. Okay, good. Next one, can I go to Mr. Gideon? Can you open mic, Mr. Gideon? In Karo Karo? Oh, sorry. All right, right. It's okay. Next one, we go to April. April, can you open mic?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, go ahead.
Flower, you want the university, the European, the uniform.
Okay, yes. So this one is the hour, the one, okay. And then the university, the European, the uniform. Okay, the one. Ya, ini pakai the. Karena ini bacanya one, ya. W A N. Okay. Um, I think only one, yeah. This one, yeah. I think it's with the hour, yeah. Is the karena it's to pronounce is hour. Okay. Right. Next one we go to countable and uncountable. So countable is the thing that you can count with your what you call it, sixth sense, yeah, panca indera. It means you can count it, but uncountable you cannot count even though using your sixth sense, yeah. Okay, countable nouns are words like car, book, chair. Yeah, they are the names of things that you can count. You can say one car, two books, three chairs. They can be singular, yeah, a cat, one book, yeah, or plural, two chairs, lots of books. Oke, jadi yang countable itu adalah benda-benda yang bisa dihitung. Uncountable, on the second hand, uncountable nouns are words like smoke, rice, water, petrol, and then these are things that you cannot count. You can say smoke, but not one smoke, yeah, or two rices, or three waters. No, we don't say that. But if they are in the, what you call it, in the container, ya, you can say the container, ya. Jadi kalau mereka diisi di dalam wadah, ya, kayak gelas, botol, ya, you can say the glass or the bottle. Okay. Uncountable nouns are only singular. Jadi uncountable nouns itu hanya bentuknya singular, ya. Okay, next fill in the tables with the words from the box here. Okay, we have bird already here, bird, flower, and then bottles, children, and then we have here blood. Yeah, I don't like it, blood. I'm afraid of blood. And then we have love, uncountable. Okay, what about the singular countable first? Ada one, two, three, four. Okay, must find the four singular countable. Okay, nose. Okay, nose. Piano. All right. Let's make it number one aja. Sorry. Nose, piano, table. Okay, table. Thank you, Mr. Gideon. Meat? No. We don't say meat. Photos? No. There's an S in the word photos. River. One, two, three. One more. River. Okay, okay, maybe river. Yes. Only one more, yeah, river. Okay. River. Let's have a look. Okay, yes. Bird, flower, nose, piano, river, and table. Okay, next one. The plural countable. This is number 2. Mountains. Okay, mountains. Windows. All right, windows. Photos. Yes. The one with the S is photos. Oh my God. Okay, Mr. Raphael. Yes, The Flash. All right, songs. Yeah, let's have a look. Songs. Okay, songs number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes, bottle, children, mountains, photos, songs, and windows. Yeah, and then the last one is the rest of it. Yeah, the one who is not with the number is uncountable. This one we have blood, love, meat, music, oil, and snow. Okay, that's one you cannot count. Yeah. Okay, great. Next one. We use an only before singular countable nouns. Okay, kita menggunakan an itu hanya bentuknya adalah tunggal. Okay, a house, a car is the same as one house, one car. Ya. And plural countable, we just put the s's ya, tapi not use a houses, no. An air juga no, ya, we say air aja. Okay, we often use an uncountable noun without an to say that something is made of. Nah, terbuat dari. Kalau bendanya terbuat dari, itu kita nggak usah pakai e-nya. Contohnya made of a glass, ya, nggak usah pakai a glass. And then the sweater is made of a silk. No, we don't say a silk. We should just say silk only. And then just say the material based on that object. Yeah. And then we use one instead of an when the exact number is important. Okay. Maksudnya apa ini? Exact number maksudnya cuma satu aja. Sudah pasti ya. A cheese sandwich, ya, you just say kalau cuma satu ya a cheese sandwich. Ya. You don't have to say one cheese sandwich. Tapi kalau penekanannya boleh ya, jadi hanya penekanan. Ya. No, I asked for one sandwich, not two. Nah, ini hanya penekanan. Ya, jadi kalau ingin nekanin saya cuma mesen satu. Ya. I also only one sandwich. Yeah. Can I have a cheese sandwich? Ya, ini the same meaning, artinya sama. Ini dan ini, ya, ini artinya sama, satu. Okay. Okay, not two. I only want one sandwich. Itu juga penekanan, ya. Alright, next one. What about this one? Number 1. Can I have... Okay, Raphael. Can I have a boiled egg? Yes, thank you, Raphael. A boiled egg. No, I said one egg, not two. Yes, no, I said one egg, not two. I've got a problem. Can you help? Okay, let me help it with this one. A boiled egg. I said an egg. Oh, sorry, one egg. Yeah, one egg, not two. I've got a problem. She's only got one child. Okay, yes, April, thank you very much. And then John's got A beautiful sister. Okay. And number 6. One girlfriend is enough. Okay. Do you guys agree? One girlfriend is enough? Raphael, what about you? Do you think agree? One girlfriend is enough? What about April? Do you agree with this one? One boyfriend is enough, or would you like one girlfriend is not enough? Mr. Gideon, okay. No boyfriend. Oh, come. Okay, yeah. Finish your study first. Yeah, good. Thank you, April. You focus on your study and then you can have, yeah. One pun nggak boleh Pak, sudah nikah. I don't have girlfriend. Hey, okay. Maybe I can mak comblang ke April ya, Mas Rafael. Alright, yes. Just intermezzo. Okay, the next one about and an, ya. Let's see a film. I don't like the film. Nah, kenapa di sini pertama pakainya sedangkan di sini pakainya the. Nah, ini penjelasannya ya. We use the not an to talk about somebody or something when the speaker and here both know about this person or thing ya. When they both know which ones, in other cases we use an. Okay, jadi kalau yang pakainya the ya, ini si speaker and the listener know which object. Okay, they both know the thing they are talking about ya, atau the object they are talking about, atau which one. Contohnya, can I borrow the car? Si speaker bilang, saya minjem mobilmu dong. Nah, ini listener dia tahu, oh mobil saya yang ini. Okay, so this is his car ya. They both know what they are talking about. Okay, maka pakainya adalah the. Can I borrow the car? But when the speaker and the listener, when the speaker uses the listener will not know which one ya. Jadi in other cases we use an. Nah, di sini other casesnya itu si speaker bilang I have just bought a new car. Nah, si listener ini menebak-nebak mobilnya macam apa, apakah sedan, apakah what do you call it, family car ya, atau wagon ya, atau van ya, and then jenis ininya apa, mereknya apa, the listener nggak tahu, tapi cuman yang tahu adalah the speaker ya. The speaker and the listener don't know which car. Okay, the listener don't know which car. Jadi listenernya masih nebak-nebak mobilnya macam apa. Tapi si speakernya bilang, I have just bought a new car. Okay, nah listenernya masih nggak tahu. So kalau kita yang the listenernya nggak tahu, ya we use a and the. Focus on making money, sir, but it's meant to be. It can be arranged. Okay. And then this one. So here, about the differences between the and an ya. Could you close the door? You know which door. Ya, jadi doornya cuma satu. Okay. But when you say, could you open a window? Ya, which window? Ya, I don't mind. Jadi terserah window yang mana atau jendela yang mana aja, mau yang sebelah kiri, sebelah kanan, dekat pintu ya. Ini terserah dia mau buka window yang mana. Maka kita pakainya could you open a window. Oke, bebas. Tapi kalau bilang cuma satu window ya we say could you open the window. That's the only window there is. Ya. Kalau cuma satu window we say could you open the window. We don't say could you open a window padahal windownya cuma satu. Nah, jangan. Makanya the window kalau cuma satu-satunya. Okay. Next one. I'm going to the post office. You know which one? The one near here. Ya, jadi si speaker and the listener know which post office it is. Ya. But when you say, is there a post office near here? Nah ini kita baru pertama kali ke daerah itu. Ya. Jadi kalau kita nggak tahu letaknya di mana suatu building atau suatu tempat, kita pakainya a. Do you know where a police station is? Do you know where a bus station is? Ya. Jadi kalau kita pertama kali datang, kita pakainya ya. But when we know which station or which what do you call it terminal, ya, yeah, we say the bus station, the train station, yeah, or the bus terminal, yeah. And then can I use the phone? Yeah, it means your phone, your handphone, yeah. And then this one, have you got a phone? Nah ini kalau kita nggak tahu si speakernya, si listenernya ada punya telepon apa enggak ya. And then I didn't like the film, the one that we just saw. I would like to ask for 7 minutes to get home. Okay, sure thing. And then, yeah, you can do that, Rafael. It's okay. And then he looked at the moon. Yeah, it means there's only one. Yeah, and then he looked at a tree. Tree-nya itu banyak. Okay, so look at the tree. She is in the front room. So you know which room I'm telling you. Ya, kita kasih tahu di mana letaknya. Ya, she came on the 8:15 train. So you know which train I'm telling you. Kita memberitahunya. Ya, kalau kita memberitahukan kapan sesuatu transportation datang ya atau letak tempat, ya kita pakainya the. Okay. How much is the red coat? You know which coat I'm telling you. Oke, tapi kalau pakai itu kita masih nebak-nebak ya. Atau an. Oke. She arrived in an old taxi. Nah, masih nebak-nebak taksinya tuh yang banyak sekali ya. Oke, banyak sekali yang old taxi. And then I've just bought a new coat. Nah, kita nggak tahu bentuknya kayak gimana, warnanya apa, ya we don't know. So this one, kalau kita masih nebak-nebak, kita pakainya Okay. Alright then, let's have an exercise here. Put in a or an or the in the passage over here. Look, that's John walking across. Silakan ditulis if you know. Look, that's John walking across. Okay, so this one is walking across the street. Okay, and then number 2, can I use the bathroom? Yeah, this one is the. Okay, April, thank you very much. Number 3, I need English-French dictionary. Have you got one? Okay, an English, yes. I need an English-French dictionary. I know a good restaurant. Shall I reserve a table for tonight? Yeah, can I reserve a table for tonight? Okay, next one. Where's the teacher? Where's the teacher? She's very late. I want a long holiday in the sun. Okay. And then number 7, who is the man? Yeah, who is the man in your office? And number 7 is the, karena man-nya udah ada di kantor, di ruangannya ya. I'm leaving on the 4:30 bus. Okay. Which is your coat? The green one. Oke, lebih spesifik ya. Pakai the itu lebih spesifik. Anne's looking for a new job. Nah, kita nggak tahu jobnya yang seperti apa. Oke. Why are you looking at the sky? There's only one sky. Ya. We don't say look at a sky. Say look at the sky. I'll meet you at 4:30 at the bus stop. Okay, outside the police station. Yes, outside a police station. No, we say outside the police station. No, maybe you're right. Ya, mungkin kita nggak tahu police stationnya yang mana ya, maybe ya. We can say a police station is okay. Tapi kalau kita tahu police station yang mana ya, we can put the ya, we can put the police station or a police station. Alright. Okay, that's John walking across the street. Can I use the bathroom? An English and French dictionary. We got one. I know a good restaurant. Shall I reserve a table for tonight? Okay, where's the teacher? She's very late. I want a long holiday in the sun. Who is the man in your office? I'm leaving on the 4:30 bus. Which coat is your coat? The green one. And looking for a new job. Why are you looking at the sky? Okay, number 12. Is it a or the, yeah? The. I'll meet you at the 4:30 at the bus stop outside the police station. Ya. Oke, next one. Nah, ini. Kenapa tadi pakainya a dan en? An atau the ya? We often use an to talk about a person or a thing for the first time. Saat pertama kali kita gunakan atau saat pertama kali kita utarakan ya, for the first time. And when we talk about the person or the thing again. Nah, kalau kita membicarakannya benda itu lagi, kita pakainya the. Oke, jadi a man walk up to a policeman. The man, ya, the man ini adalah tadi yang man ini, ya, the man ini, ya, the same thing. Took out a map and asked the police station. Okay, so this is the same police station, ya, and this is the second time he says the same thing, the policeman. Okay, jadi the man ini maksudnya orang yang ini. The police station maksudnya adalah yang policeman. The policeman adalah policeman yang ini. Okay, let's go for the first one. Put in an, or the. A bag in a bag. A bag in a bag. Okay, for number one apa ini? This is a true story. Last year, I went into blah 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 big sport shop because I wanted blah 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 sport bag. Blah 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 assistant came up to me and I told him that I wanted blah blah blah. Assistant bought me 3 different bags. I choose blah 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 one and paid for it. Okay, coba kita try the first one. Kita latihan dulu with Ibu Saimuti. Okay, Ibu Saimuti, can you answer 1 until 3, Ibu? Nomor 1 sampai 3. Saimuti?
Ya, siap.
Oke. Tolong dibaca nomor 1 sampai 3, Ibu.
Langsung dijawab, Pak.
Iya. Boleh tak apa. Yeah, it's okay. Practice Ibu, sir.
This is
Mhm.
this is a true story. Last year I went to big a, a big sports shop because
Because I wanted.
I want the sport bag.
Okay. The or a Ibu? Karena baru pertama kali muncul.
Uh,
Okay, good. A sport bag. And then last one, nomor 3 terakhir.
an assistant come up to me
Okay,
and
thank you. And I told him what I
and
wanted.
I told him what I wanted.
Okay, thank you. Next one. Let's go to Mbak April. Number 4 until number 6.
The the assistant brought me three different bags. I chose five, the smallest one, and paid for it.
Okay, thank
The
you. Oh, sorry.
sampai
Yes.
nomor berapa? The assistant put the bag
Okay.
in a large plastic bag.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Next one, Mas Bagus, the last one from here.
Hello, sir. Sorry. Okay.
I told him.
What's number, sir? What?
From here, you can read from I told him.
Oh, all right. I told him one bag was enough, and asked him to take. Wait. The. The sir.
Okay, take the bag out, and then.
The bag out a out the bag.
Okay.
He did so, but he looked very unhappy as I walked out of the shop.
Okay, yes, as I walk up the shop. Thank you very much, yeah. So this
Yeah.
one, for the first time, yeah, we use yeah. I went into a big sport shop. Nah, ini shopnya baru pertama kali. Because I wanted a sport bag. Nah, yang sport bagnya baru pertama kali. Nah, this one, an assistant baru pertama kali muncul ya, assistant. And then came up to me and I told him what I wanted. The assistant. Nah, ini karena asistennya udah muncul. This one is the same thing ya. Ini sama asisten yang tadi. Kalau di sini kamu tulis an lagi ya, maka asistennya tuh ada dua. Karena ini cuma satu asisten ya, maka kita pakainya the assistant. Ya, jadi cuma satu asisten, maka pakainya the. And then this one, the smallest one. Okay. Bought me three different bags. I choose the smallest one. Nah, ini karena bagnya udah muncul ya. This one is the same as this one. Ya, the bag. I choose the smallest one and paid for it. The assistant put the bag. Nah, bagnya ini sama yang tadi ya. This one, the bag. In a large. Nah, ini karena baru ya. Plastic bag. Ini baru muncul lah. Maka pakainya a. Okay. Ask him to take the bag out. out of the other bag. Nah, other bag ini adalah dari plastic bagnya ini. Ya, maka pakainya the. Bagnya ini tadi yang bag yang pertama. Oke,
It's
right. Pokoknya kalau objek pertama sudah disebut, seterusnya pakai the. Yes, benar April. Jadi kalau yang objek yang pertama sudah kita sebutkan, ya bendanya itu apa, kita pakainya the kalau udah pertama kali disebutkan. Ya. Tapi kalau baru pertama kali kita pakainya atau en, ya. Tergantung the sound of the object. Misalnya kalau soundnya adalah vowel, ya pakainya en. Kalau objeknya soundnya adalah consonant, ya pakainya ya. Alright, the next one. Okay, this one is for profession. Ya, kalau kita ingin menyebutkan suatu pekerjaan atau profesi seseorang, kita pakainya en. Ya, terkadang kemarin pas essay itu banyak yang tidak menuliskan pakai artikel atau en. Ya, jadi my brother, misalnya my brother policeman, he work apa and then I work for computer, nah gitu. Atau I work apa istilahnya? Programmer, nah harusnya I'm a programmer gitu. Harusnya pakai a programmer, jangan programmer aja. Oke. Okay, let's say these people's job are. Use the word in the box. Okay, we have builder, cook, dentist, doctor, driver, hairdresser, musician, photographer, shop assistant, and teacher. Okay, number one is already done for you. She is a doctor, yeah, with a stethoscope. What about number one? What is this picture for number one? Okay, cook. Rafael, welcome back. Wah, cepat banget. Sudah sampai rumah, Rafael. Okay, cook. Number one. Okay. Yeah, chef. We say cook, yeah. Cook and chef is the same. Okay, Gideon, yes, thank you, cook. Number two. Sorry, fokus ke gambar. Okay. Yes, it's alright, April. Number two is builder. Okay. Saimuti. Okay. Number two is this one. Okay, it's a builder. Number two is builder. Okay, good. Number three. What picture is number three? Driver. Okay, driver over here. I cannot. Okay, driver. Number four. Thank you, April, Gideon, Raphael. Teacher. Yes, it's a teacher. Number four is a teacher. Number five. Photographer. Yeah. So it can be a hobby becomes a job ya. Kalau teman-teman hobinya photographer, mungkin bisa jadi one of the income. Okay, photographer. And then number six. Yeah, number six is dentist. Okay, Saimuti, this is number six, dentist. Okay, and number seven. Number seven. Mr. Raphael says hairdresser. Okay, thank you, Mas Raphael. Hair, sir. Hairdresser, yes. You say hairdresser. There's also called barber, yeah. Barber or hairdresser, yeah. Number eight is musician, okay. And then number nine, yeah, the last one is shop assistant. Yeah, this is number nine, shop assistant. Okay, very nice. So don't forget ya, pakainya atau en. Ya, jadi di sini kayaknya kebanyakannya ya, because it's huruf mati semua. Yeah, everything is karena ini huruf mati semua. Doctor, shop assistant, teacher, driver, hairdresser, musician, yeah, builder, yeah, all this. Okay, next, describing people. She's got a nice smile. Nah, ini juga, if you are describing a thing, ya, ini bisa pakainya ya. Remember, we don't use an with plurals or uncountable nouns, ya. She got blue eyes. Jangan a blue eyes, no. Okay. All right, this one. Use the words in the box and add a or an if necessary. Okay, number 1. What is the picture here? Number 1. Semua Pak. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's one before, yeah. Dark hair. She got dark hair. No, I don't. Long neck. Yes, that's right. This one is number 1. Long neck. Okay, number 1. Number 2. He's got. What does this person have? Describing. Okay, big ear. Thank you, Mr. Gideon. Big ear. Okay, he's got a big ear. A long neck. She's got, number 3, a loud voice. Okay, thank you, April. A loud voice. Number 4, he's got a big beard. Okay, yes. Number 4, big beard. Number 5, she's got a. The last one. Dark hair. Yes, this one is number 5. Dark hair. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you, Mr. Gideon. Dark hair. Okay, next we use the name, yeah, for the people, languages, and most places. Yeah. Jadi kalau names, ya, people, languages, and most places, we don't use the. Kita nggak pakai the. Mary works for Dr. Andrews. We don't say the Mary or the Dr. Andrews. Yeah. Just say the name of the person. Yeah. General Parker, Prince Charles, Aunt Elizabeth. Okay. And then languages, we don't use the also. Jadi kita nggak pakai the, ya. Sorry, I don't speak Russian, bukan the Russian. Kalau bilang pakai the Russian itu adalah orangnya nanti, ya. Menjadi orangnya. Most places name, nah, tempat dengan namanya. Ya, tempat namanya, ya. Jadi contohnya continent, ya, country, state, lake, mountain, towns, and street. Nah, ini nggak pakai the, ya. Berries is from Texas. Jangan pakai the Texas. And then Africa, Cuba, Queensland, Dublin, Lake Geneva, Mount Everest, Wall Street, Piccadilly Circus, Hyde Park, Times Square. We don't say the Times Square, ya. We just say Times Square. Tapi kalau misalnya news atau berita, ya mungkin boleh, ya. Kalau mengutarakan berita, kita pakai the Times Square. Okay, names with the. Nah, ini pakai the boleh, ya. Some places, ya, beberapa tempat seperti desert, river, seas, and ocean, but not lakes. Ya, tidak danau, enggak, ya. Jadi desert, the Sahara Desert, the Thames, ya, ini river yang mengalir sepanjang Big Ben, ya. Jadi river yang di sepanjang Big Ben itu namanya Thames, ya. The Rhine, the Mediterranean, the Atlantic. Oke, and then plural's name ya, negara dengan bentuknya jamak ya. Ini the Netherlands. Oke, the America, the United States of America atau the USA, the Alps, the Philippines. Ya, itu makanya apa? Plural. Expression with republic, kingdom, and etc. Oke, ini pakai republic ya. The Czech Republic, the United Kingdom ya. And then we have the Republic of China, pakainya the ya. Large area of the world. Nah, bagian besar dari dunia ya. The West, the Middle East, and the Far East. Ya. Jadi kalau the West itu biasanya Amerika, Canada, ya, South America ya, like Argentina ini mereka the West ya. The Middle East ini biasanya the Arab ya, Qatar ya, Palestine, and all of the Middle East. And then kalau the Far East ini biasanya Asian country ya, Indonesia, China, Vietnam, Thailand, Singapore, ya, Malaysia. Ini they call it the Far East. Okay, and then building with the yang nggak pakai the apa ya? Oh, yang nggak pakai the ini tadi yang nggak pakai the ini. Nah ini nama orang, ya, bahasa, dan juga kontinen, ya, and then country. Country yang tidak plural. Oke, country yang tidak plural itu nggak pakai the. Oke, mountain and towns ya. Ini yang nggak pakai the. Oke, tapi yang bukan plural ya. Nah, kalau yang pakai plural dia pakainya the. This one. Ya, desert, rivers, ocean, seas. Ya, the plural name. Ya, ini yang bentuk plural. The Netherlands, the United States, the Alps, ya, the Philippines, okay, and Czech, the Republic, ya, Republic atau Kingdom, and then largest area, daerah yang terbesar. And then building with the, ini bangunan yang harus pakai the ya, the most name of building, kebanyakan nama dari apa bangunan ya, the Hilton Hotel, the Globe Theatre, the Eiffel Tower, the Great Pyramids, the Old Mill Restaurant, the British Museum, the Taj Mahal. Nah ini kebanyakan bangunan pakainya the, karena dia kayak sebuah title ya. Exception, pengecualian, place name, nama tempat ya, yaitu seperti airport, station, cathedral, university, palace, castle, atau school. Ini nggak boleh pakai the. Oxford Airport, Exeter Cathedral, Buckingham Palace, Goslow Central Station, Cambridge University, Didcot Junior High School. Nah, ini nggak pakai the. And also like McDonald's ya, restaurant. And then also St. Paul's Cathedral, don't say the, ya. Oke, kita masuk ke benang merah sekarang. Part 1, what is article? Jadi yang kita bahas ini tentang artikel ya, adalah penggunaan kata atau an. Nah, nanti ini artikel ini ada juga termasuk ke dalam noun phrase. Oke, noun phrase. Oke, noun phrase. Jadi kalau ada sentence, ada kalimat yang pakainya an apple is good for you, atau an apple keeps you from the doctor, keeps the doctor away, boleh. Ini adalah kayak noun phrase, dia fungsinya sebagai subjek di awal kalimat. Article helps us know, ini artikel membantu kita untuk mengetahui apakah benda itu satu atau banyak ya? Apakah benda itu spesifik? Is it new information? Apakah bentuknya baru ya? Does the listener know it? apakah si speaker dan si listener dua-duanya tahu yang dimaksud ya. Jadi ini yang kita pahami untuk penggunaan artikel. Okay. And then the three article are, we have an, and the. Itu one thing, consonant sound. An is one thing, vowel sound. And then kalau pakai the itu lebih spesifik, ya, lebih khusus, lebih apa ya, terfokus ya. Jadi kita pakainya the. Oke, pengertian dari and an dulu. Means one thing atau one person. Use a before a consonant sound. Ya. Contohnya a cat, a book, a teacher, a university, a European country. And then kalau an is one thing, the same ya, a thing atau person, use an before a vowel sound ya, atau vowel vowel sound ya, the vowel sound a, i, u, e, o ya. Example, an apple, an egg, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. Important, we use sound, not spelling. Okay. Walaupun emang kadang spelling juga butuh ya, tapi mostly we are relying on the sound ya. University. Why pakai Because university start with Y, the sound. University. Ya, jadi bukan an university but a university. Okay, number 2, an hour. Ya, why pakai an? Karena the H is silence, so we use an hour. And then use an before vowel sound, a, i, u, e, o sound. Example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream. When do you use atau an? Ya, first time mention. Ya, yang tadi ya, yang a bag in a bag ya. Jadi kalau pertama kali kita gunakan, kita pakainya atau an ya. I saw a dog yesterday. We know which dog. Later, the dog was very friendly. Now it's specific ya. Jadi we are talking the same dog. Dognya yang sama ya. Jadi pertama kali kita lihat dog, dan dog yang itu yang kita ketemui kemarin ya. And then one of Penny. She is a teacher. It means one of among many teachers. Ya, dia adalah guru dari berbagai macam guru yang ada. She is a teacher. And then jobs, example ya, he is a doctor, she is an engineering, my father is a farmer. And then singular countable nouns ya, singular countable nouns usually need an, the, atau my, his, her ya. Yeah, this one is wrong. I bought book. No, harusnya I bought a book. Okay, and then the, penggunaan the, specific. Use the when both people know the thing it is already mentioned, it is unique. And then if this mention again, ya, jika bendanya atau kata itu disebutkan lagi, maka kita pakainya the, ya. I bought a bag. The bag is blue. Okay, the first time is a bag. The second time it's the bag. Ya, maka ini maksudnya adalah the same bag, bag yang sama. Okay, and then specific thing. Example, close the door. We know which door. Ya, kita tahu speaker and the listener know which door. And then unique things, ya, only exists, ya. Benda-benda yang cuman satu-satunya di dunia ini atau di universe ya, the sun, the moon, the sky, and the earth. Itu cuma satu-satunya aja ya. And then superlative, example, the best, the biggest, the most beautiful. And then we have the ordinal numbers ya, the example, the first day, the second floor, the third time. And then musical instrument, we say using the. Play the piano, play the guitar, play the violin. And then rivers, sea, ocean. Okay, the Niles, the Pacific Ocean, the Java Sea. Nah, ini yang penggunaan the. Okay, teman-teman. Saat kita ingin menulis the, pastikan kriterianya apakah termasuk dari salah satu 8 ini? Yang 8 adalah some countries, ya. We use the with kingdoms, republics, plural countries, names, ya. The United States, the Netherlands, the Philippines, ya. But we don't say the Indonesia, no. Indonesia is Indonesia. Japan, Japan. French, French. We don't use the, okay. Kalau kita tetap pakai the Indonesian itu nanti adalah orangnya atau masyarakatnya, ya, bukan negaranya. Oke, and then no article, tidak membutuhkan artikel sama sekali. Adalah plural things in general, ya, bentuk yang jamak. The dogs are friendly, ya. Uncountable noun in general, yang benda tidak dapat dihitung. Okay, music, water, snow, and then meals, ya, makanan, ya, breakfast, lunch, dinner, ya. The dinner we had yesterday was amazing. Okay, specific dinner, ya. Ini kalau kita pakai the-nya, ini khusus membicarakan dinner yang mewah atau dinner yang pertama kali apa kita ini kan special, ya. And then languages, example, speak English, study French, ya, not the English. And then we have school, bed, hospital, general purpose, ya. For example, go to school, be in bed, go to hospital. Okay, part 7, most of the common ESL mistake, ya. Khususnya orang Indonesia yang sering make mistake, ya. I have car. Nah, ini karena saya baca di esainya tuh banyak yang kadang pakai, kadang enggak, ya. She is a university student, ya. I like the music. Nah, nggak boleh pakai the, ya. I like music, it means general. The sun, okay, sun is hot. No. It's only the one sun, yeah. So the sun is hot. Okay, let's have a look at the step-by-step method here. Okay, so the first one is it's singular and countable. Kalau yes, ya kita butuhkan an atau the ataupun determiner, ya. My, his, her. Okay, number 2, is it specific? Kita tanyakan diri kita sendiri, kalau dia termasuk spesifik, ya kita pakainya the. Number 3, is it the first time mentioned? Apakah pertama kali muncul dalam bacaan? Kalau emang dalam bacaan atau dalam tulisannya muncul pertama kali, kita pakainya atau an. Ya, ingat kalau teman-teman menulis suatu essay, ya, kalau ini baru pertama kali kita mention atau kita tuliskan, kita pakainya atau an. Tapi kalau udah 2 kali, kita pakainya the, ya. Does it start with a vowel sound? Ya, kayak kalau dia mulai dengan huruf hidup, ya pakainya an. Kalau huruf mati, pakainya Okay, simple magic formula supaya make you easy to remember. Okay, first time kita pakai an, specific kita pakainya the, one thing is an, unique thing, ya, kayak sun, moon, earth, ya, kita pakainya the. Kalau plural and general, we don't use article. Uncountable general, we don't put article, ya. Jadi no article, no article. Oke, supaya lebih ingat lagi pakai artikel atau tidak, ya. An used for one thing, first time, not specific. Itu pakainya an. And then the, kalau dia adalah specific thing, no things, ya. Speaker and listener. Mention again, unique thing. And then no article adalah kalau plural general, uncountable general, tidak dapat dihitung, dan bentuknya adalah jamak. Itu nggak ada artikel. Okay, let's have mini quiz. Apakah teman-teman sudah paham atau belum tentang article? So today is the finish explanation of the grammar of article. Okay, number 1. Kita pakai artikel nggak ini? I saw. Okay, apa? Oh, okay, Mr. Hendra. All right, good. Thank you, April. Yes, Bagas. Okay. Raphael. The Flash. Okay, April and Hendra. Number 2 is the. Yes, very good. Number 3, Mr. Raphael says, Hendra also, diva. Okay, All right, number 4, Mr. Hendra says, the. April. Okay, thank you, April. Number 4. Sorry. Oh my goodness. The. All right, let's have a look. No, we don't use the. It's in general. Everybody love music. Yeah? So we don't put I love music. Okay, number 5. Or, except for you are going to the disco, ya, discotheque, or maybe a club. Ya, kalau di situ we can say I love the music. Yes, boleh. Okay, sorry. Number 5 is the. Yes, please open the window. Number 6. Okay, April already. Number 6. April says, Mr. Hender says no. Okay, let's have a look. No. We had breakfast at 7. That's right. We had a breakfast. Okay, number 7. Okay, Mr. Raphael, the Flash. Yes. And the last one, I bought. Okay, yes, an umbrella. Okay, very nice everyone. Okay, kita masuk ke our second list of vocabulary, which is the topic is transportation. Jadi topiknya ini adalah transportation over here, okay? So all the word that is related with transportation. Okay, the noun, the verb, adjective, and adverb. Yeah, we have angle, bend, caution, connection, division, divider, fare, iron, jet, motion, pilot, politeness, pull, and steal. And then the verb, we have bend, yeah, and then verb 1, verb 2, bend, bent, bend, yeah. And then we have connect, from connection. And then we have division, is divide. And then land, and then pull, yeah. And then angle, angular, bend, yeah. And then cautious, connection, divided, dividing, main, motionless, polite, impolite, straight. And then we have adverb, cautious, okay, yes, okay, Mas Bagus is okay. Thank you for coming. Cautiously, mainly, motionlessly, politely, and impolitely. Okay, from all this word, ada kata-kata yang susah atau belum pernah di bend? Thank you, Bagus. Okay, bend here, it means bengkok, ya, atau tikungan. Ya, kalau nounnya ini bengkok. Tikungan, bend. Yeah, there's a bend to the right about 5 kilometer. Ya, bend ini adalah tikungan, ya, bend. Jadi ini kalau bentuknya adalah tikungan. Oke, tapi kalau ini bend ini kayak bengkok, ya, atau dekok. Okay, thank you, Raphael. Any more? Okay, April. Fair and cautiously. All right. So this one cautiously ini adalah eh, kehati-hatian ya. Jadi adalah menjelaskan dari verbnya. Ya, jadi dia bekerja sangat berhati-hati sekali ya. So this is cautiously is adverb, dia menjelaskan bentuk verbnya ya. He works very cautiously in the factory ya. Atau he's the only worker who is working cautiously. Okay, and then we have April. Masih fair. Nah, ini fair ya. Ini ada dua macam. Ya, bentuknya ada dua. Tergantung konteks kalimatnya. Kalau fair yang pertama itu kayak misalnya pasar malam, ya, fair. There's a night fair. There's a carnival fair ya. Jadi ini pasar malam ya. Yang fair yang kedua adalah tarif atau ongkos. Ya, fair yang kedua adalah ongkos. Jadi kayak ongkos angkot, ongkos bus atau train ya. Nah, we call it fare. Ya, we don't say fare in the plane ya. Kalau plane kita nggak pakai fare ya. We say like tickets ya. Or yeah, we say tickets for airplane, but I think rarely we use fare for the plane ya. And then Mas Rafael, impolite. Impolite itu lawan kata dari polite. Oke, lawannya kata dari polite ya. Dasar katanya dari polite ini ya, polite. Kalau ada an ya. Terus apa lagi? Re ya. An ya. Itu adalah tidak. Berarti ini tidak polite ya. Lawan kata dari polite-nya. Oke, ada lagi? One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Are you sure? Kalau nggak ada, saya akan tanya. Okay, let me ask one person. Diva. Diva, are you there? Can you open mic? Diva Yuda. Five, four, three. Impolite itu contohnya sikap kurang ajar atau tidak beradab. Yes, boleh. Ya, impolite, kurang ajar boleh atau tidak beradab. Yes, you can say that. That's true. Impolite is ya apa? Tidak sopan lah ininya, kurang beradab ya. As you can put it that way. Okay, let's go. Coba saya tanya, Mr. Hendra. Can you open mic, Mr. Hendra? Masih kerja. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay. What about Umi Nur Atikoh? Are you there? Can you open mic? Miss Umi? 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, maybe she's already in the next room. Okay, let's move on then. Okay, we're going to read the definition and example here. Okay, coba let's have April first. April, can you open mic?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, can you read number 1 and number 2?
Okay. Jet is a very fast airplane. The military first used jets. To fly from New York to London, you take a jet.
Okay.
To land is the return to the earth. The jet will land in 10 minutes. The plane landed at the airport. Landing the damaged that jet was difficult.
Okay, thank you very much. Next one, we have Rizal Maulana. Rizal Maulana, can you open mic? 5, 4, Mas Rizal. Okay, we cannot. What about Mas Rafael? Can you open mic? Just for today. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, Mas Rafael cannot. Mr. Gideon, can you open mic? 5, 4. Okay, Mr. Gideon, can you read 3 and 4? Practice your pronunciation.
Okay. Free, fare.
Fair.
That means the money you pay for a trip in a taxi, bus, train, etc. The basic bus fare in this city is $1 passenger. How much is the fare to the airport? Taxi driver, $12.
Number 4.
For pilot or the driver of an airplane. My brother is a pilot in the Air Force. The pilot of the jet landed the damaged plane safely.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Gideon. Okay, next one,
Welcome,
number
sir.
5, 6, and 7. Can I have Ibu Umi Nur Atika? Can you open mic? Ibu Umi Atika. 5, 4, 3. Okay. We go to Ari. Ari K.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Could you read 5 and 6?
Okay. Pull, the opposite of push. The sign of the door said pull. The man pulled the child out of the pool. Divide, to separate it into 2 or more groups. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The woman divided the food among her children.
Okay, good. Wow. Thank you very much, Sir Ari. Okay, I will read
Yes.
7. Main, the most important. His main interest is computer. He spends all his time working with them. The most important street in many American towns is called the main street. Okay, next one. 8, 9, 10. Can I have Saimuti? Saimuti, can you open mic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ibu Saimuti. 8 and 9, Ibu.
Okay, sir. Motion to the movement. The motion of a moving car makes some people feel sick. They push hit the car to put it in motion.
Okay, good.
Cautious, careful. You should be cautious when you cross the street. The sick outside of the construction area said caution. He is a very cautious man. He always thinks very careful before he makes a decision.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. I will read number 10. Straight with no changes in direction. A straight roads are the safest one. A straight line is the shortest distance between two places. Okay, next we have 11 until 14. Ferdinand. Ferdinand, can you open mic? Hello, Ferdinand. Febrianto. 5, 4, 3. Okay, we go back to the first one. Is April. Hello, April.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, number 11 and 12, April.
Bend is a change in direction. We could not see around the bend in the road.
Mm-hmm.
12. Bend is not straight. The door of my car does not shut easily because it was bent in an accident. My key is bent and will not fit into the lock.
Okay, thank you, April. Next one, we go to Raphael. I want to try Raphael. Can you open mic? Come on, you can open mic, Mas Raphael. I want to hear your voice. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next one, Rizal. Rizal Maulana. Hello, Mas Rizal. Can you open mic? Or Mr. Rizal? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we go to Mr. Gideon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 13 and 14, Mr.
Yes, sir. 13. Iron. A heavy silver white metal which occurs naturally in the rocks. Iron is found in the ground. This area of the country is rich in iron.
Mhm.
Iron is used to make many things.
Mhm.
14. Steel. A metal made from iron which bends and is used to make cars, building, and etc.
Mhm.
Steel is produced from iron in factories. Steel is heat and bent to form the bodies of the cars.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Mr. Gideon. You are improving your pronunciation. Okay, next
Yes,
one we
sir.
have. Thank you very much. 15, 16, and 17. And I have Ari. Mas Ari? Okay, 15 and 16, Mas?
Yes. Angle, the corner which is made when two surface or straight line meet. We measure angles in degrees. The angles of the bend in that road make driving on it dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
Connect, to join, to place in a relationship. This road connect the two towns. Your head is connected to the rest of your body by your neck. A. Is there a connection between those two companies? No, they're not related.
Okay, wow. Thank you very much, Mas Ari. You also have
Okay,
good.
polite.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. The last one.
Okay, polite. Careful of other people and their feelings.
Mm-hmm.
Her parent liked her boyfriend because he was very polite.
Mm-hmm.
The polite taxi driver said, "Thank you," when we gave him the fare. The rule of politeness differ from one country to another.
Yes. Thank you very much, Mas Ari. Wow, you
Yes.
are improving your also your pronunciation there. Okay, very nice. All right, guys. Next one. This is the last one. After this, we can have it call it a day. Okay, match the word with its definition. To return to the earth, careful, the most important, to separate into two or more groups, the driver of an airplane, movement, to join, to place in a relationship, with no change in direction, a metal made from iron, a change in direction, careful of other people and their feelings, a very fast aeroplane, and then the money you pay for a trip in a taxi, bus, train, and etc. Go ahead. What is the number one? Number 1 is land. Okay, April. Let me put this one in red. What is land? Okay. Number 2, careful. Cautious. Okay. Cautious. Okay, next one, number 3. The most important, J. Okay, yes, Mas Rafael. Main, that's right. And then to separate into 2 or more groups. E, divide. Okay, divide. And then oh, sorry, this is like an F. Okay, we'll go there. The driver of an airplane. Okay, Angel. Yes, pilot. Where is that? This one, pilot. A movement, motion. Oh, so fast. Oh my goodness. Motion. Where is it? Okay. And then to join a place, it's 6, 7. Is a D. Connect. Number 8, it's straight. With no changes in direction. Okay, yeah, I think it's also straight. Straight. A metal made from iron. We call the man of steel. Where is steel? Oh, and okay, this one. A change in direction. Number 10, angle. Number 10, it's B. Okay, B, not angle. So a change in direction is bend. Tikungan. Okay, number 9, careful with other people and their feeling. Number 11, M. Okay, polite. Yes. And then a very fast airplane, we call it jet. And the last one, the money you pay for a trip, taxi or bus, we call it a fare. Yes, fare. All right. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today since the time is 17:15. Okay, we call it a day. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. Let's open mic. Okay, sorry, open mic. Open video, please. For documentation for today. Okay, Mr. Gideon, Mr. Ari, thank you very much. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, one more. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. See you guys on Friday or also in Saturday class. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Shir.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sarah. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today's meeting. Yeah, because of the time also. Yeah, it's already 17:15. Yeah. Right. So basically, we will continue from this passage. Yeah. Later on, and then from there we can continue to another section of the learning. Okay. Right. Thank you for joining me in this afternoon of video learning on Saturday class for Bahasa Inggris 1 ya semester 2. Okay, thank you very much for everyone who is joining me in streaming ya. And then for you to be prepared ya for tugas 3 dan 4 ya before the UTS. Okay, and also the essay ya. Jadi untuk tugas 2 essay-nya dengan juga UTS itu belum saya cek, tapi sebagian sudah ya. Jadi yang masih belum nilainya belum ini, mohon bersabar ya dan mohon ditunggu ya. Karena kan tadi saya jelaskan bahwa saya masih koreksi untuk berbagai macam kesalahan. Ternyata teman-teman tidak bisa melihat komen dari saya, maka mulai dari saat ini saya akan hanya kasih nilai aja ya. Okay, thank you very much for joining me in this lovely evening or lovely evening ya before the azan. Okay, thank you for joining me in this video learning. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. See you guys in the next meeting and take care of everyone. Okay, take care your health. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.